Now chord tracing. Okay, let us try to understand. So in the chord tracing, you are having like this. You are given some equation and you want to trace the curve. Okay. Now see, the first point that we need to consider is nothing but the symmetry. Symmetry means what? See, this is the example. Like this is the parabola. Can you say it is a symmetry about x-axis? That
Yes,
means
sir.
x-axis, the curve above the x-axis and below the x-axis same. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
it's called symmetry about the x-axis. Same way, this is the curve. It is also a parabola. Can you say this is symmetry about y-axis?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a circle. Say, circle. Can you say it is symmetric about both the axes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Not only that, it is also symmetric about
The line.
the line say y equal to x also.
Yes.
Okay. So when you are having only curve, so what happen if you find out if there is any symmetry, our 50% work completed. You understand? Because if
Sir.
suppose there is symmetry about x-axis and if you draw only this part of the curve, you can draw similar part below the x-axis. So there are certain rules to check whether the curve is symmetric about x-axis. So see here, y square is 4ax, the curve. The graph is y square equal to 4ax. So if this is a point on the curve, so if there is a point on the curve, say here. So if the curve is symmetric about x-axis, the point below to it is also on the curve. Now if this point is say suppose xy, then this point is x comma minus y, isn't it? That
Yes,
means
sir.
that means say this one now. You may write also. If you replace y by minus y in the equation, if you replace y by minus y in the equation, and if the equation remains unchanged, then the curve is symmetric about x-axis. And the curve is symmetric about x-axis. You may see also in this way, only even powers of y in the equation. Then also the curve is symmetric about x-axis. Okay, everyone? Are you writing or no need to write?
Yes, writing, sir.
Writing. So then you write this thing. This kind of example will be asked for 6 marks, 5 to 6 marks minimum. Not only symmetry, the whole chord tracing will be asked. Okay, and that's easy also. It's not difficult to solve. Fine. Now yourself you write down symmetry about y-axis. Symmetry about y-axis. What you will write? If we replace
X by minus.
yes x by minus x in the equation, and if the equation remain unchanged, then the curve is symmetric about
Y-axis.
y-axis or only even powers of x.
X.
Only even powers of x, then you can say that curve is symmetric about y-axis. Okay. Now write. Symmetry about the line y equal to x. Symmetry about the line y equal to x. Write down. If we interchange x and y, and if the equation remains same, if we interchange x and y, and if the equation remains unchanged, or equation remains same, then you can say that the curve is symmetric about the line sorry, y equal to x. Okay. See, this is the curve. X square plus y square equal to 1. Equation of circle. You can just interchange x and y. There is no change. Same way, this is also a curve y equal to 1 by x. This is a curve y equal to 1 by x. It's very standard curve, so you can remember. Now here also you can see y equal to 1 by x. If you interchange x and y, this is the curve xy equal to 1. If you interchange x and y, no change. So you can say that there is a symmetry about the line y equal to x. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the example, if you discuss symmetry part, you will get 1 mark. Okay, next you need to discuss about the origin. Now, what does it mean? Origin means what? Origin means whether the curve passes through the origin or no. That's you need to check whether the curve passes through the origin or no. Like say this curve passes through the origin, parabola. This curve passes through the origin, while this curve does not pass through the origin. Isn't it? So, if the equation satisfies the point 0, 0, or you can say there is no constant term. Equation में कोई constant term ना होए, okay? अथवा तो 0, 0 satisfy. Then the curve passes through the origin. Agree or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so write
Yes,
down
sir.
that part. Write down that part.
Yes, sir.
If the equation satisfies 0, 0, or there is no constant term, then the curve passes through the origin. Then the curve passes through the origin. Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see. Now if the curve passes through the origin, then we need to check one more thing. But we need to check what is the tangent at the origin. So we need to check the tangent. Or you can say, as I am writing tangents. So sometimes we may have more than one tangent. Tangent at the origin. Okay. What is the tangent at the origin? See, this is the curve. What is the tangent at origin? This line is tangent at the origin. Agree or no?
Yes.
How to find out? Tangent is always a line. Okay, tangent is always a line. Sometimes we may have two tangent also. Sometimes we may have only one tangent also. So what you need to do is, this is the formula you need to write down. You are having only equation. So from that equation, if the curve passes through the origin, lowest degree term equal to 0. Lowest degree term equal to 0. See, let us try to understand. This is y square equal to 4ax. Now what is the lowest degree term? What is the lowest degree term in this equation?
1 x 1 1 1
4ax. 1 ક્યાંથી હોય? 1 ક્યાં છે?
4 x
Where is 1?
ડિગ્રી કીધી એટલે તમે ડિગ્રી કીધી એટલે
મેં ડિગ્રી નથી કીધી. મેં નહીં ડિગ્રી કીધી. અહીં વાંચો ફરીથી સરખું. લોવેસ્ટ ડિગ્રી, પછી હું નથી બોલ્યો કઈ?
ટર્મ સોરી
લોવેસ્ટ ડિગ્રી ટર્મ.
સોરી
Lowest degree term. What is the lowest degree term?
4a.
4 x
Eh?
4
4a. 4ax.
x
So 4ax equal to 0. A to 0 hoy nahi. That means x equal to 0. That means y axis. So see that here y axis is the tangent at the origin. Okay. Next part is what? Suppose this is one example. Y square minus x square plus x cube equal to 0. This curve passes to the origin. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This curve passes to the origin.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, what is the lowest degree term here? Lowest degree term is what? What is the highest degree term?
X cube.
After that, what is that?
X square
So
and
y
y
square minus x square.
So y square minus x square is lowest degree term. And if you put the y square minus x square, then lowest degree term equal to 0, you will get y equal to plus minus x. So there are two tangents like this. This is a tangent, this is also a tangent, two lines. And both are real and distinct. Suppose you are having like this, x square plus y cube equal to 0. What is the lowest degree term?
X square.
X square is
Square
the
plus
lowest
y
degree
square.
term.
X square. X.
X square is lowest degree term in this example.
Yes.
So
sir.
tangent is x0, x0, 2 times tangent. Same, but 2 times. Say suppose this example, x square plus y square minus x cube equal to 0. This curve also passes through the origin. What is lowest degree? X square plus y square equal to 0. But x square plus y square equal to 0 not possible. So this is not possible because it is imaginary. So there are things where you may get only one tangent. You may get two tangents but different. You may get two tangent but equal. And there is no tangent also. Okay, if the curve passes through the origin. So if there are two tangent, then we call as a double point. If there are two tangent, we call as a double point. Now if the tangents are real and distinct like this, then origin is called a node. There is a point, there is a name, technical name. Origin is called a node. Node means two tangents real and distinct like this. Suppose curve છે, so there are two tangents real and distinct. So origin is a node. If the real and coincident like this, then you call origin is a cusp. And a cusp હોય તો આવું થાય, આવો shape મળે. કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ મળે, એટલે આમ પણ જઈ શકે. Cusp છે origin. So then you are having like this. And if there is imaginary tangent like this, then no meaning. That means origin is an isolated point. Origin is an isolated point. Okay, so this is about the curve passes through the origin. If the curve passes through the origin, you need to find out tangent at the origin. For that, you need to take lowest degree term equal to 0. Then, if there are two tangents, then origin is called double point. If the tangents are real and distinct, then we call origin as a node. If the tangents are real and coincident, we call origin is a cusp. And if the tangents are imaginary, we call origin as an isolated point. અને આ બધા એક એના એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે. જુઓ આ બધા ઓરિજિન માંથી પાસ થાય છે. એક આ એક્ઝામ્પલ્સ છે. This is one example, this is one example, this is one example, this is also one example. લખી શકાય. Understand everyone?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the next concept is very simple, and it is nothing but the intercepts. Intercepts means where the curve crosses x-axis or y-axis. That is called the intercept. આપેલો curve x-axis, y-axis ને ક્યાં cross કરે? So that is very easy to find. To find out x-intercept, you should put y equal to 0 in the equation. And to find y-intercept, you put x equal to 0 in the equation. So write down this part also, intercept. So for x-intercept, put y equal to 0. Y-intercept, put x equal to 0. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you repeat it? The network issue was there.
What repeat? What do you
This
want to make me
imaginary-
repeat?
This imaginary isolated point.
No problem. You can just see the video also. Okay, now bell already done. Okay, so next time we shall again take this part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. One more thing is that